Hey guys, so I'm here to bring to clear up a little bit of confusion about the KWL chart. And so when I'm referring to the questions about the KWL chart, these are the questions I'm speaking of specifically. So what do you know about the topic? What do you want to know about the topic? And what did you learn about the topic? And so the first two columns we can fill out on our own. So I'll make sure I update the task in Google Classroom or the post in Google Classroom to state what do you know about the topic. And I'm going to give you some frame of references, some questions, or some statements about what you will be able to do by the time you finish taking notes. You're going to feel that in, whether you know something about this specific topic or not. And so we're going to talk about the rotations, translations, and reflections specifically, right? And so what do you know about a rotation? What do you know about a translation? What do you know about a reflection? If you don't know anything, state simply what you know. Everybody knows a reflection because you can look in the mirror and see your reflection. When you look in a puddle, you see a reflection. And you know what I mean? In a window, you can see a reflection. So what do you know about reflections? Rotations. I can rotate my hand. I understand 360 degrees. So what do you know about it? Then what do you want to know about the topic? So what do you want to know about reflections, translations, and rotations? And you're going to put that there. And then for the third column, you're going to specifically say, hey, after you did all these notes, after you studied this topic or this subject content for the week, what have you learned about the topic that you didn't already know, right? And so that's the piece. So when you go into the textbook, you get into the textbook from the virtual classroom. Also, you can get there through the e-text, through the assignment folder from Solvers Realize, right? And so we have a section here, right? So we're going to go to reflections first. The first page that pops up for you, they talk about what you can do. So in this section of translations, I can draw and describe the reflection of a figure across the line of reflection. And so this is what you're going to learn through this 3-1 reflection section. So if you don't know how to do this, this is what you want to learn, right? Similarity. If we hit menu again, go to table of contents, it's going to take us back to this section, and we're going to go to 3-2. And it's going to show us the same question. I mean, the same statement, but relating to translation. So you will be able to describe the properties of a figure before and after translation. So these are the statements you can kind of build on to kind of help you fill out that KWL chart. And the last one, but not least, for rotations, I can draw and describe the rotation of a figure about a point of rotation for a given angle of rotation. So these are the things you will learn through this section for taking notes. But these are statements that can kind of help guide you figuring out how you're going to fill out that KWL chart. And again, if you have any more pertinent or specific questions about, hey, what am I supposed to put on this thing after this video, please do not hesitate to email me, hit me on Remind, text me, whatever you need to do so that you can get the most possible points you can on this assignment. Have a great day.